lot of the trees are on the power lines, you'll get shocked.
Mommy, snow can't shock you. That's the tree, but they got fall.
Yeah, it might. With
Hope you can.
There's the bad part right here.
Trees or power lines are all
Oh
down.
my God.
Listen.
What are you
Getting pictures, video.
Holy God! Can you operate this too? Down clear.
Down here.
They're down clear down here too.
Poles down here, look.
Poles down?
The poles moving.
Crazy.
I think it's broke.
Are you crazy?
Yeah, it is too.
It's gonna be a long time to power and shit.
I was about to say, if this was our road, I would swear to God, there was nobody here.
Oh. See where it is, I see it. See the power lines down, clear the fuck down there.
We're on the
Right
ground?
here.
yeah,
Yeah,
they're
they're on
lower.
the ground. The pole's down.
Oh, that pole's down
Oh,
too.
bro. Look, oh, no, actually, it didn't break. Come right up out of the ground.
They had it in the ground like 2 feet. They dug too close to it. And they ditched it. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Fuck, we don't even know if there's any power out there yet.
Oh, you-
Frig, I mean. Let's see if we cross over down here to the other side.
Yeah, it's drooping down quite bad.
There's a tree on it in his driveway. Right there. Big tree, the branches are on it.
They need to come cut trees back away from the pole. Look, this pole's leaning right over. Oh, no, it ain't. Like, they need to come down here and trim all these trees back. Look. They're doing a fine job of keeping the trees back away from the fucking road. Can you imagine down in Kilburn, out that way?
Yeah.
That's probably right covered. Trees down everywhere. Actually, they cut back, didn't they? Yeah, they cut it all back down there. They didn't do it here.